Scarcity of husband, oh. We dey find husbands. Oh, but like people, the matter don't serious. No, look me like that. Oh. It don't serious. So the people don't they carry banner up and down. I need a husband. I'm looking for a husband. Rally, serious protest now they go on. They say the lady na from Kenya. I know just know how the thing can they related to Nigeria, but now the lady don't come outside. Say they look for husband. Say you don't understand how come husband nowadays they have to find. Say where they may they come out. You see, not be smart, you know. You be like say the woman self don't they cry since. Say the thing don't frustrate her, the thing don't you understand. She say you no care. The age, you know, care wetin they do, your occupation right now, you did desperate. So I beg, I don't bring the protest call on side. Husband Hunting Association of Kenya stroke Nigeria. Because join me, make we watch the video.
Ye nini? Ni nyundo. Unafanya nini?
Nakugonga ujinga nangu kwa kichwa. Kwani wani nini biliko?
Unatafuta nini?
Kwani wezi soma? Sasa magulio wamenikasirikia ati niliwasema. Sasa nimeona tumfuja kwa sasa nitafanya.
Siwezi soma. Si ulisema bagula tu kusoma?
Si nimeomba msamaha.
Charlie, Ataya. Now we don't in fact we don't pass level say where they even write for Bible. Now remember that part of Bible where they talk say they will come there is going to be a time where 10 women will be fighting for one husband. See, we've even passed that one. People don't they come outside now with cardboard. Say they find husband. When they reach that time, make una sit down there, they look. This one said even small. Nigeria is blessed with men. But you know our problem? No, nah, relax. You know the problem when we get our culture. Our culture don't they too, in fact, it is too demanding. Man won't come marry woman. Before you know, you go see list where they go right. Like say they go do one project abroad. Marriage. Just marriage. Yeah, any man that is coming for my daughter, if you don't have 10 mansions, if you don't have 5 Ferrari, you cannot give because I have spent so much on her education. Before who wants to spend on your education? Now me. Which kind of mentality now we get? No, that thing they kill us. Now that you see that thing, now they kill us. If the man does not have money, I don't understand. No, no feel marry with the small one you get, then start building your home together. Una they drive them away. Now. Some ladies you see today, they are not married, not because they don't want or they never dreamt of. Not simply because their parents pursue the men where they come that period. If a man approach you, no do shakara. I'm not to say me you just accept anybody will come, I beg. But at least get sense. You suppose know at this age of your life, nobody see your parent. You need your parents' advice, very good. But I beg, you understand? Because some of them you go regret her later. You go say, hey, if I know when a maker come, I for don't do this thing, and he go shock you. 2 months later, you go yes say that man where you reject now you don't become CEO of so. They happen. Don't reject people anyhow. Select good. I'm not to say me you just take any bag away, just come your way. But at least use wisdom, not just the throw away people. All of you that way, when I go sit down, they wait for already made man. Now another cause of this problem. I bring her out today because this thing, for them to carry cardboard now me say the matter don't serious. So I need to open on her eyes. You are waiting for already made man. How you want marry? Hey, I want the one that is established. I want established, okay. Madam Establishment, you are looking for established. You will soon find established. Now, why many people still there like this? You think saying everybody they don't design destiny, say you will be with an already made person. Some people you have to work together with them. You have to build with them. You understand? So don't be deceived though. Prince Charming. This one, he has to be this. You are dreaming. And in case you don't know, time they go. Before you know, another year has come, you go celebrate birthday. Another year will come, you go celebrate birthday. Now so you go continue to celebrate birthday, single lady. My sister, dear protester, I beg. In as much as say I dey feel your pain, you understand? Because no, my people, it can be frustrating. In as much as I dey feel your pain, I wan make you understand something. Our men this period, they know they look for woman wey get 0 level up here. You need to have something. So the time wey you dey use now, dey waka up and down, you for use that one look for job. Yes. When you have your own money, you understand. You see, now men go dey rush you. You no go even need stress yourself. This one, all this one, forget all those nonsense. So where una go dey talk say, a man that likes me will accept me for who I am. Now for inside film. Is inside movies you see that one, no? Real life self, I not sure say they dey up to 5%. So remove that mindset from your head. A man that likes me, he will come even if I did not go to school. If not be everybody get money to go to school, but you feel go dey start the work. You can open a boutique. You can save money. You can like that. So I beg. Now why I bring this thing? Because many of us now the mistake where we dey make, we dey wait for many things where we not supposed wait for. Very soon now, it go soon happen. Where people they marry for free because una expectation too high. It's too high. You not go see. Parents will just say, hey, you want to marry? No, don't pay. Some people say go marry on credit. They'll say carry her, you come and pay bride price later. It go happen. Make una continue with this attitude when I get. You define rich man, you define this one. No, continue. It go so happen for una eye. My dear. Go and add value to your life. Not be just this protester. I beg, I dey talk to everybody, even myself. May we add value to our life. Very important. Hey. Hey, I know it at the talk, and I beg, make I repeat and one last time. Change your mindset. The way you dey think, it dey affect people wey suppose come around you. Some of una don't carry una self up. Person no even feel look you again because they fear. Say, hey, how go approach this one now? She's too classy. They don't know say na garri you dey drink. Una don't too overdo all these things. Na the problem. So I beg, in case you need hear am again, start this video. Because this matter is critical. Start from fresh, hear everything again, so that you go know how you dey move from today. Very, very important. And I beg, make una help me share this video. All of una wey get Kenya people, because this girl must hear me. Maybe na this video be the solution to him problem. Very, very important. Share am and share am worldwide. Make everybody know say men now they go soon dey scarce. I beg, make una no go near. I not talk anything, I just you understand. So because share this video and make sure say you drop your comments. Anything where you get to talk concerning this matter, whether I talk where I not talk where, drop and there. Why not? If not, I go reply on one by one as usual. And make sure say you subscribe. This one they very important. Click on that notification bell. If not, you go to miss interesting begins like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.